the 2014 Chevrolet Impala LT. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Chevrolet features power windows, keyless entry, and a CD player. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, navigation system, HD radio, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.